So if you want to go ahead and add in a number section inside of database inside the form, then what you can actually do is go in between two of the sections right here in the database form and then click on add question, let's say for example, and here you can see that number is an option right here. So once you go ahead and do that, I can simply go ahead and say, let's say for example, rate us in the scale of 100, let's say for example right here. So now you can go around over here and then you can see that the question type is number right here, or you can simply go ahead and say something like enter your house number right here, just like this. So once you go ahead and do that and go to preview, you can see that this is house number. So I can actually go ahead and then submit this. It says invalid number. You have to go ahead and type in the number for this to actually get submitted, as you can see right there. So that is how you can go ahead and add in database form number inside of Notion. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.